Today on Stephanie's Back to Basics, I want to talk to you about magnesium. Did you know that magnesium is one of the most important minerals in your body? It is responsible for over 300 functions in your body alone. Most people are low or deficient in magnesium. That means over 300 things in your body aren't operating at their full potential, which is kind of a big deal. If you're low on energy, have anxiety, trouble sleeping, insomnia, muscle cramps, leg cramps, heart palpitations, you are probably low in magnesium. Magnesium is also vital for your heart, so everyone should have enough magnesium. So I want to give you a few ways today to get more magnesium into your body. First, I recommend a magnesium oil spray. This is such an easy thing to have with you at any time if you're having anxiety or heart palpitations. If your stomach is having bad digestion, you can just spray it on the area that you need and it soaks and absorbs in your skin within seconds. The second thing is a magnesium supplement. Just make sure your supplement is pure and natural and coming from a good source. And third, the most important thing is the food that you eat. Including magnesium-rich foods is so important for your body and the best way you can get magnesium into your system. 4 of my favorite magnesium-rich foods are bananas, avocados, black beans, and pumpkin seeds. And it's a great time of year for pumpkin seeds. So go out today and get yourself some magnesium in any form and get back to health. I'm Stephanie Rivas, a holistic health coach, and I will see you next time on Back to Basics.